My name is Christina DeSimone with Miranda Real Estate Group, and I wanted to welcome you to 4 Joshua Road. This home is an unbelievable location situated right in the heart of the city of Saratoga Springs. Come on in so I can give you a tour. When you walk into this home, you're immediately blown away from the high ceilings and all of the custom woodwork, hardwood oak staircase, the really grand entrance. This home is just over 3,800 square feet, featuring 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, custom kitchen, and many custom upgrades throughout. And for you investors out there, it's a huge value added for potential rental income. Welcome to the dining room. As you can see, you could fit 8 to 10 people very comfortably in this area, which is right off of the kitchen and butler's pantry area. Do you know what this is? This is actually the refrigerator freezer combo, Sub-Zero. Bet you didn't even see it. Custom cabinetry right over the stainless appliances. This newly installed custom kitchen is absolutely gorgeous with more hidden features. Oh look, there's a dishwasher. There's granite throughout, including the backsplash, gigantic island, over and under cabinet lighting with the upgraded glass features, Blue Star stove, which if you own a Blue Star stove, you'll never go back to anything else. The kitchen is very open, it's also eat-in, and then there's a private sitting room off the back for a little bit of relaxation. This home is perfect for your friends to come back after the track, after a concert over at SPAC, or maybe after some shopping downtown. You know, you could fit up to 30, 40 people in this area very comfortably, entertain all summer long and throughout the season for a ton of fun, a lot of entertainment in a super convenient location. The hangout room off the kitchen is perfect for cozying up with a book next to one of the 3 gas fireplaces that are situated throughout the home. When you open this door, you're gonna immediately notice why this stands out. In the city of Saratoga, typically the lots are on the smaller side. This home actually is situated on an extra large city lot, and there was a separate parcel that was purchased in the backyard, which is included with this listing. This great room, which is just steps away from the beautiful gourmet kitchen, features a floor-to-ceiling window, which lets in a lot of natural light. Also has a bluestone fireplace featuring a gas insert. And all the way up to the ceiling, we're showcasing the custom woodwork. It's a huge room, very spacious for entertaining, and very open to the kitchen, which is where everyone wants to be in a home. The staircase is one of my favorite parts of the house, and it makes for an unbelievable grand entrance. Check out this master suite featuring a sitting area, a ton of space for a huge bed, gas fireplace insert, and over-mounted TV area. And the master bath right off to the side featuring mahogany floors, a jacuzzi tub, shower, and a huge walk-in closet. You have to see it in person to believe it. Look how far away I am from you. It's like an extra bedroom in there. So the second floor features 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. Each bedroom has its own connected bathroom. The master that we're in now, there's a second master down the hall, and then there are 2 bedrooms that share an absolutely adorable Jack and Jill style bath in between. Look at how spacious this second master is. In a lot of homes, the second master bedroom is a little on the smaller side. This one is huge. Glass shower doors, white subway tile. Who doesn't love a good white subway tile? The exterior of this home features cedar siding, cedar shake shingles, and real custom stone wrapped around the outside of the foundation, and a beautiful blue stone porch. Today, location is everything, whether you're investing for yourself or for your future. You don't want to miss out on this unbelievable value right in the heart of Saratoga Springs, with everything that it has to offer. The track, SPAC, the casino for all of you gambler lovers out there, downtown shopping, easy access to the highway. You have to come and see this hot buy. I'm really excited to show you this listing. Please contact me anytime for a showing. Can't wait to give you a tour.